That's pretty cool.
On the sand.
Yeah.
I got it, coach.
Do a willy where you stand on it.
Yeah, stand on the mat.
I'm dirty. Like, stand back here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got dirt in my butt crack.
I want to see him fall in that big ass ditch.
Missy did that last time, remember?
She was running and fell.
You weren't here?
I don't
She
think so.
hauled ass and she didn't know it was there and she tripped and fell in.